Hi guys! Today we're doing some amazing cardamom rice pudding. The ingredients are as usual in the description down below, and while you're there you can leave me a like and comment. We're gonna start by adding the milk, rice and cardamom pods to the pan, and make sure to crush the cardamom pods before you add them so they can infuse better. Make sure to stir constantly so the rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Add the egg yolks, sugar, salt and vanilla extract to a large bowl and mix well. When the rice is fully cooked, remove the cardamom pods. Slowly add the hot rice to the egg mixture and mix constantly so it doesn't curdle. Add everything back to the pan and cook for 5 more minutes on a low heat. And there you have it. Enjoy it with some crushed pistachios and sultanas.